I have $10 and 10 days to thrift an outfit to wear to a wedding. The dress code calls for something sparkly and colorful. Let's go to the thrift store. I say Saint Laurent, my heart is beating out of my chest. What if it's not right for the wedding? Or if it doesn't fit? Okay, it looks like part of it is broken, but what if I sew this halter neck together and oh my god, this is one of my best finds ever. I love this dress. I can definitely adjust it and it's only priced at $9.99. I have to be careful not to draw too much attention because even though it's broken, the store will definitely want to reprice this dress for high. If they find out it's a Saint Laurent dress worth that, and I can definitely fix the top and stitch it in a little bit. Let's put it in our cart and try not to cause a big scene, even though I want to scream. I think what's even crazier is that 2 days ago I went to the thrift store to convince myself to alter this, and I was just feel like I was finding absolutely everything but a dress for the wedding. This black Anthropologie bag, it's kind of cute, but really it's way too big for me, and it was almost $20, so it's a no. Then I also found this little Shaun the Sheep style coin purse. I think this is really cute, but unfortunately when I opened up, this has fallen victim to dry rot. We have to put it back. To France, I could get this for my passport. Wait, this is an Aritzia set. It's matching and 2 pieces is $11. I'm not sure if this color is for me, but it could be really comfy just for summer days. Ooh, this really doesn't fit me. I've never owned a pair of Ray-Ban, and I'm surprised these were at the thrift store for $8. Now, I find finding sunglasses really difficult. They just don't often suit my face, and I think these are okay, but not extraordinary on me, so let's say no. Oh my goodness, this velvety dress has built-in boobs. Interesting. Who is this diva? And there's 4 of her? Oh my. So I love this style of bag, and it reminds me of the Chloe bags on the runway. They're like $4,000, but I love them. The rings are great, but I don't like the little bag underneath, and we're gonna put this Sunday best on the end of an aisle so someone can find it. I love Aritzia, and this is so tempting, but I don't like the drawstring on the bottom. But something about this spirit hat really cracks me up. Wait a second, this could be so pretty. This is like a vintage spiral candle holder. I really wish there were 2 of these. And ta-da, I did find 2 of these vintage ashtrays that say Omega on them. Both were equally as broken as another. Oh no, this jacket is really good, but it's not appropriate for a wedding. It's got these really cool buckles on both sides of it. You have to say no. I hope someone else finds it. I've never seen a lamp designed like this before. It almost reminds me of those water toys that kids run under. Why is this Hello Kitty lamp kind of adorable? And why do I hate this hat so much? Oh my god. The John Flu vlogs are still at the store, breaking my heart at $150. Ugh. And at that point, I had almost given up on finding a dress in time. But today we found this Saint Laurent dress. I cannot believe it, how the tables have turned so quickly. The dress is priced at $9 and I had a budget of $12, so that means I have $3 remaining to find a purse. So far, we've got the dress for $9. Retail, it would have been probably at least $1,000. Next, we have this 10K plated gold watch that I got for $9. And these Circus by Sam Edelman shoes, also for $9, plus I had a coupon. Now we have to figure out, do all of these pieces go together? What else do I need for the wedding? With my $3 remaining, do I try and get some accessories or a purse, or do I just reuse stuff I already have at home? But honestly, I cannot think straight since I found this dress. I am in complete shock. I am so thankful to whoever donated this. Tell me what you think of this find and what you think of what the whole outfit is turning out to be so far for under $30. And I think we actually might be able to pull this off. Tell me what you think of my thrift find and what you're thinking of the outfit. I want your honest thoughts, and follow along to see how it all comes together.